I decided to give Aquarius a try again, and we're going with the Peanuts puzzle. Let's hop right in and I'll let you know what I think about it. My experience with the Peanuts Snoopy puzzle from Aquarius, it was a 500 piece. It was actually really enjoyable. It had a bit of shine. So a little bit of a shine, but not too bad. And piece size, maybe a little small for 500, but I think pretty normal. It's got the usual Aquarius shapes, a little bit different shapes. So yeah, there you go. Different sizes. Shine, but not horrific. I did it in the evening and during the day, and I really liked it. It was a little bit tricky in the respect that the different faces have multiples of the same one, but it also was just different enough. It was actually really enjoyable. So Aquarius is back off my not gonna try list. It's on my maybe list. All because of Snoopy. So I'll show you. I started with the the edges, and then I started to fill in. It was kind of easy to do like the red part and the little stand that she has, and then the background colors actually helped me figure out which faces and clothing went where, because you have different colors of pink, lighter and darker blue, you've got green, you've got red, so that kind of helped me figure out where to go with it. Yeah, I did it all kind of on the same table area. I didn't use my sorting trays, and it was doable and enjoyable. I thrifted this one for $1.99. Would actually recommend picking these up. I would do this one again. Not in the near future, but I would definitely do this one again. It was cute, it was fun, and it was nice to get back into puzzling and start to enjoy again. So yeah, those are my thoughts on Aquarius and the Peanuts puzzle. See, Peanuts. The Peanuts puzzle from Aquarius. I don't know what year it came out. 2020. So this one's from 2020. So thank you for tagging along with me in this quick review video of what I'm up to and what I'm trying. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you puzzle friends, and I hope you have a great day or night, whatever time it is, wherever you're at, and we'll see you in the next puzzle adventure.